Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change Google Trends language. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Trends account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Google Trends? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type trends.google.com, and that's going to take you right into the Google Trends website. Now, Google Trends is going to create an automatic account for you because it is integrated into your Google account. So you don't have to go through the rigorous process of signing up. It's just automatic using your account. So now that we're in this homepage, let's see how we can change Google Trends language. Now, if you check the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find this United Kingdom. You can click on that and you have a lot of countries that you can choose from. So we can start with changing the country, right? So you can go ahead and change the country if you want to, but if you don't want to start with changing the country, then you absolutely have no problem. So you can change the country if you want. If you don't want to change the country, I'm just going to show you the next step. What's the next step? Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and you're gonna find here we have Google privacy terms, send feedback about, and you have help, and you have this English United States. I'm actually using English United States, so click on this drop down menu and you have a list of options. So you have these languages that you can choose from. You have Afrikaans, you have Bahasa Indonesia, you have Bahasa Melayu, you have this Bonsangki, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, you have Katali, if that should be it, you have this, you have Dutch, you have Dutch, you have Easty, you have English Australia, you have English United Kingdom, you have English United States, you have Espanol, Hispana, and you have a lot more. So let's say I'm changing it to English United Kingdom because I love UK English, Queen's English always to go. So that's it, and you can see now that my homepage has been refreshed and has been set to United Kingdom English. As you can see, this is pretty much the process. You can see that was not a difficult step to take. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.